Hey, how are you guys? Welcome to another tutorial video from the Executive VA. My name is JV, and today I'm actually going to remake one of the videos that I created last time, which is how to get your US phone number for free. And this time it's 2018 version. So if you remember, if you watched that video, it involves two apps, which is the Zoiper and CallCentric. But this time, all we need is to actually just go to textnow.com. It's pretty simple. Just go to your web browser and type in textnow.com. But let me just go ahead and log out here. So I can show you how to set up your account for free. So step number one is you would click on sign up free button right here. So I'm gonna click on that, and then step number two is to simply let me see. Oh, I have to log out. Okay. I'm just gonna log out. So step number two, so step number one, sign up for free. Step number two is to fill out or sign up with Facebook or fill out the form. So I'm not going to do the signing up or registering an account because I already have my account. But I'm just going to tell you just one reminder: once you already signed up with Facebook or registered the account here, filled out these fields, it's gonna ask you for the area code that you like. So it's gonna allow you to actually choose the area code that you want. So the first three numbers, the area code. So one reminder, you can actually just research on the location of your client, or it's any of your choice actually. So for example, mine is set up for Florida. Um, it's area code 352 because my client is located in Florida. So that's how I set it up. So let's go ahead and test this actually. So um, let me go ahead and log in. So I have it saved here. I'm just gonna click on it, and so we can test it. So yep, to test this, I'm going to use Zoiper. So this is already set up. I mean, if you watched the first video, I set up my US phone number for free using the Zoiper and CallCentric. So this time, I'm just gonna go here to the TextNow app, and then I'll put my phone number. So I'm just gonna check and see. Okay, it's calling it. Okay. Oh, it's the wrong phone number. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it again, the right one. Okay, there it is. It's calling it. I can answer that. It's free anyway.
Free anyway.
Hello?
Hello?
Okay, so
Okay,
it's working.
so
Definitely
it's
working.
definitely working.
Let me just hang up, and that's for doing outbound call. So actually, it can also receive inbound calls. So to do that, I'll use Google Hangouts. So I'll just put the 352 number that I created. I mean that they provided to me. I selected the area code, and they provided me my phone number. So I'll just call that number, and of course it's going to ring. So I can accept that, but I'll decline it. Um, so yeah, that's how easy it is for you to get your free phone number based in the United States. So yeah, this is one of the recommendations for virtual assistants here in the Philippines. So if you're a virtual assistant, I would recommend you use this app. It's absolutely for free, and it's very easy to register. So I hope you find this video helpful. You can subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to get more videos from the Executive VA. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.